Hello everybody, it's Michael with Southside Vacuum again on the SEBO Automatic X4 and X5 series vacuums. These are the easiest vacuums to work on, which will save you a lot of money in the future. The vacuum here features a jam protector. So if you were, say, cleaning under a table and you caught hold of a rug, the switch clutch on this vacuum will stop the vacuum from turning on. It will stop it. So then you simply just turn the vacuum over like this right here, and you'd be able to pull this out. But if that does not work, you can simply push right here. The brush will slide out, and now you can pull whatever is in here out. But another cool thing is for those that have pets, the brushes always get hair on them, but you can't get to them. So by pulling this out, it allows you to easily get in here and clean off the pet hair. Another feature right here is that the belts on the vacuum are guaranteed for the life of the vacuum. I've actually, for the Modesto Fire Department that has these, I've never replaced a belt on their vacuum yet. The belt is inside here, so there's no way the dirt is getting to it. It has a clean out valve right here, so you can catch clogs. And then to put the brush back in, it is very simple. You just slide it in right here, like that. Turn until you hear it feel lock. It sets in. This goes on like that. It's that simple. This is truly a vacuum cleaner that you, the consumer, can actually work on and get clean for it. You can clean yourself. So if you have any questions regarding the SEBO automatic vacuums, please feel free to shoot us an email at michael@southsidevacuum.com, or give us a call, which is Monday through Friday, 9 to 5:30, Saturday 9 to 4, Pacific Standard Time, closed Sunday. It's 209-575-3955.